How to block 18 plus content on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device over here and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you log into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on the option of suggested content over here. Open the category of what you see. So tap on suggested content, and as you do that, you can see the option of sensitive content over here. So tap on it and you'll be able to see, you can choose how much sensitive content you want to see. So you can see less, you can see standard or more. Now just tap on less, so this will show less sensitive content, and then you can just tap on confirm. Now go back and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.